So you party?
I do sound.
Oh, you
and,
do
like production
sound.
stuff, yeah.
Okay. Your bone's sticking out.
Oh yeah.
So we got the wedges here, creating space in his spine. Good. 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 Nice.
No. Oh.
You're definitely tall enough. Nice.
Feel the higher me to bring it, set it up, and bring it.
Right around this first rib. Bring the head. Good. And we're hooking on like T2. Head all the way. Yeah, that side is loose. Really high up there. Beautiful. Sacrum. Beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, like right there.
Oh. Nice. Lift down. Oh yeah. So you're like filming a movie right now?
I'm filming a movie.
Can I be in it?
I'm sure you can if you want.
I just want to be that guy all the way in the corner that's completely not related to the movie, but just so I can be like, that's me.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm scared. I don't know why.
Me too.
I've done this.
C4 for the students. Took a while setting it up.
Oh, God.
Good.
Oh, God.
Nice. I feel kind of like T2, T3. One more. Good. You feel that stretch?
This is so good.
Yeah.
I need one of these.
So we're blocking here and letting the table just bring her down. So all this will just kind of decompress. This one around. Good.
That felt good.
Let's go like right in there. Ooh. That was nice. That's nice. Wow, Summer, you're such a pro now. This is like your 5th time?
I'm scared to talk.
I would call it like summertime. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Down. That was great. So I feel tenseness around his upper neck.
What causes it, doc?
Any type of stress, anything on your mind, this area will just work harder.
I've been thinking about you for a long time, doc.
That's what I was getting at.
Yeah, I think that's why.
I can feel it. Let it fall there. Damn.
Damn.
This one's actually maybe like C5. Head over. Slam through it.
Oh, wow.
Merry Christmas. There. Just come in right there. Good. Good. One more. Not. Nice. Have you seen SpongeBob? Yes. Me too.
Oh.
Nice. Dang, so you like edit every day?
Every day.
You're like sitting in a chair while you sleep?
Yep.
In like editing position?
I have editing posture. Ooh.
Editing posture. I came out of the womb with back cracking posture. Damn, lower neck here.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Head all the way to the left. Oh, beautiful. Super low on the neck there. Let the head fall all the way to the right. Relax the left shoulder. Nice. You just pin it down right there. Oh! Slam through it. Nice. So again, we just want to find a spot that we can pin down. Let's go like right in there. Beautiful. Does it feel okay on the neck?
It feels great.
Okay.
I've been thinking about this strap often, dude.
It's like kind of weird.
Oh, wow. I felt that all the way down.
Yeah?
Wow, that was.
Hell yeah.
Dude, I felt that like near my tailbone.
Wow, Dr. Kyle. I can tell you have not been working out.
Yeah, I'm feeling small.
Well, you're not small. It's just a little soft, you know?
Oh, okay. I would say maybe more supple
Supple.
because I'm moving better.
Oh, his neck feels good.
Oh, you like that?
Wow. Actually, I do. A little bit of a lower cervical adjustment.
Oh, damn.
Jordans too? Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, so cute.
Nice.
I'm getting like a good ass shot here.
Damn, look at these. Look at these glutes.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy.
It's a little greasy.
Oh. Boom. It's like our OnlyFans.
Wait, with the
Just
POV would
Just
be.
like a POV angle. All right,
Wait,
lift your head up.
will you take your shirt off while you do this?
Lift. Down.
If we're doing a POV, yeah, that feels.
Dr. Kyle with the Y strap here. Let me know when you can feel it in the mid back.
Sorry.
That's nice.
My legs just kicked up and dropped.
He flew. I didn't know you were an astronaut.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. You
Say
got
something in French.
speak something in French?
Yeah.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Rain. The most basic one.
I've
Go-
heard that before.
Yeah.
Let your head fall.
Oh. That's crazy.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. You gotta add a little bit of like rrr into it.
Bonjour. Let your head fall to the left. Dang.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It cracked in French. Perfect timing. Trigger point.
You're making me want to cry on the inside. I feel like I'm gonna fly away.
So we're gonna angle him and just go straight down.
Oh my gosh.
Little slant to it.
They don't stay that bad. Ooh. I didn't know you could pull that.
Does that feel good in the neck?
That feels really good.
Let me know
That
when you can
traction.
feel it in the low back.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Lift down.
That felt really good.
I'm gonna pick you up, okay? Don't help me at all.
Okay, limp.
Just try to relax as much as you can. Just say limp.
Limp? Like go limp?
Yep. Exactly. Oh.
I work for U.S. sports camps. We operate all of Nike sports camps for kids all over the country. and
Nike?
adults. Yes.
Never heard of her. How do you know it's a girl? I don't even know. This is C3. Good. Nice. Right there. Nice. Oh, wow. Nike.
Ever heard of her?
I've never heard of him. Very nice. Very nice. 05. Right, this is already going. Beautiful. Perfect. Right through. Do you feel that like in your shoulder blades?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Now you're taller. So much taller. Wow. Crazy. What do you do? Content creation?
Yeah, content creator too.
Fashion?
Yeah.
You just like pick random stuff to wear and then make a video?
Yeah.
Sick. Yes. Muscle's very defensive. It's scared. That's why it cramps.
Yeah.
It gives out sometimes. Good. One more. Good.
Oh.
Very nice. Okay, go ahead. Oh, that was nice. One more.
Oh.
Yeah, that spot. We're gonna try to bring the sacrum down because it feels good to pull it down like that. Nice. Gonna go low. Nice. Nice. On your back, face up. Ow! That probably hurt, huh? Show it to the camera. Look at her. I'm just kidding. We'll make this into a foot video. She's like, oh, I hope they don't see my feet. I hope they don't see my toes. You know that spot in here, like in your back? Mm-hmm. Let me know when you can feel it kind of around there, okay?
Okay.
Good. Flip. Down. Very nice. I do that a lot. I'm gonna get in your glute a little bit. It's gonna suck it. down. And knock? Yeah? Good. That was so good. One more. Good. Damn. Other side? Damn. On your back, face up. Telling tongue. That was good. Okay, come on up. Good job. Lift your head up. Keep your chin tucked down. Good. Nice ring. Right. One more. Did you bring one of those rings for me? No? Why does everyone think I'm joking? I'm serious. Talus? Damn. T1. Hook on. Bring the head all the way. Easy. Do the same thing. Good. Damn. Crunchy. You play tennis? I can play too. It's not that popular in the US. Very nice. Nice. On your back, face up. Let it fall. Good. You're doing great.
I think I like it.
You think? She thinks she likes it. The mic's gone. That was good though.
Yeah.
Do you feel taller? You get headaches at all?
Yes.
A lot?
Almost every day.
Which side?
Both sides?
And here too?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
One more. Good. Okay, we're just gonna do one in the mid back here. Don't worry, you're doing great. One more. Nice. Telling tongue. Telling tongue. Telling tongue. Telling tongue. She's dead. On your side, facing me. Miring ke kanan. Nice. Other side. Dang. You're back.
I am back.
You got a haircut.
16 guard.
What?
It's a popular haircut, but it's grown out now.
I think you made it not popular.
Okay, let's run away.
You want to run away with me?
Yeah, to Antarctica.
Yeah.
We can swim there.
Oh yeah, you swim, right?
Yeah.
Good.
I got you.
Thanks. Wow, he just cradles right in my arm. Good. One more. Yeah, it's really tight in here. It's crazy. I'm gonna loosen it up for you.
Like if I were to pick my animal in my next life, it'd be a bird.
What kind of bird?
American eagle. Like they're so calm.
You make up slang?
I do make up slang actually.
That's kind of cool.
I made up the slang atch.
What's atch?
Actually.
Atch. It's already going.
See that? I told you that one will provide.
That one provides.
And I didn't lie. Ooh, bar.
Spiders.
Yeah, for Spider-Man. Because I'm that guy.
Trying so hard not to laugh. You're that guy?
I am that guy.
You shoot webs?
I do shoot webs. White stuff. In particular.
Get this man off the mic.
Alright, Matt. Got his own marketing business. It's pretty cool.
I feel something at like C3 students. I'm gonna show you a little piezoform adjustment for the neck. It's a really good angle for it. Just straight across. Beautiful. Same thing. Let's get a little pisiform in there. Get right on it. Good. And it's just straight across. It's perfect. If you want that lateral glide adjustment, boom, that one's perfect. So the company name's Riser. Mm-hmm. Nice. I like that name. Nice and loose here. Good. Good. The hardest thing about having a business is starting. Literally, and just getting your name out there. So marketing's huge. Rise. You help them rise. Ooh, that was perfect. Yeah. Beautiful. L4. Straight across. Damn, he has big feet. It's crazy. You know what that means? I don't know what that means.
Big hands.
Big hands! What's the hardest thing about owning your own business?
Making clients happy.
Ah, I love that. Bite your teeth down.
Oh,
Damn.
that was so good.
Holy.
Oh, I feel tall.
Now he's like 6'5".
Yeah.
Damn. Slide your butt forward for me. A little more. Yeah, and then right back. Yep. Perfect. Wow. You're such a star. Let your head fall all the way to the right, and just relax that right shoulder. Good. You were born for this. You're a natural.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! Look how good she relaxes. Beautiful. You're doing great. Right there. Honey. Beautiful. Last time I saw you, you had an American accent.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
That's impossible. I'm not sure
Yeah.
that's the case.
Ah.
What did you miss most about me?
Oh man.
I'm gonna
These
tell your
lovely-
fiance right
these
after.
Lovely shoulders.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they're so dense and like just natural.
There's so much weight on them. Weight of the world.
So much weight. Nice and loose in the shoulder. Oh, he just cradles right in my arms.
Oh my God. Oh, I used to wear your cologne in high school. I mean, college.
I don't wear cologne. That's just body odor.
That's a lie.
Must be demure.
What's that?
It means you're a bit modest. So actually I have a gripe with this. You know, everyone this summer was like, oh, very demure. You actually don't want to be demure in most cases, unless you have perky nipples, then you want them to be demure.
Okay.
But otherwise you want to be very outward, very outspoken. No lady should be demure anymore. Ah, that's what I get for mansplaining.
You get headaches?
Never, but what you just did felt really good. I feel like I need to do that more and stretch my head.
You're just perfect.
Oh,
You're
thanks,
just perfect
thanks,
the way
Dad.
you are.
Thanks, Dad. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Your head fall here, good.
Oh, ho.
What do you mean?
So much wrist, so much grip, lots of grace. Oh, you would actually look good in these. I also feel like sneakers, you know, I'll be invited to the wedding. Oh, oh.
You've been working out?
For you, yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. I've been doing the same thing. What's wrong with your back?
It's a little crooked, kind of tight.
Oh, dang, yeah, it is crooked, huh?
All right.
So what's new?
What's new?
Yeah.
I'm getting massaged by a chiropractor.
Mmm.
The best of the best.
You know those guys aren't real doctors? You can't trust those guys, man. This knot here is from you missing me.
Other activities.
No, it's you missing me. It's okay. I know the camera's on, but like, you can admit it, you know. Good. Let it go. Good.
Crunchy.
Is it? Give me a hug. Leave your head on the table. You know what I mean? Wow, you give really nice hugs. You don't hug anyone else, right?
Only my family, don't worry.
That's fine. I'll let it happen. You do kind of have a little twist here. I'm gonna try to rotate it. Right there. Beautiful. And we'll just pull those down. Good. PSI is. Good. Yeah, I like these. They do give grandpa vibes, yeah. But, you know, we do it for the streets.
Like they're matching.
Why did you make me see that? Wow. That's crazy. Nice. Did you fart? You skate or you rock climb?
Both.
Dang. So you're a skater, bro?
Yeah.
Dude, you got good. Damn. He's got some muscle tone in here. Why are you laughing? That's all I do. I'm a professional gasser. You can hire me to be a hype man too. Low key. Good. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh.
Right there.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Let's do like an L4 mammillary. Try to limit the rotation. So we're going straight down. Good.
Oh.
Nice. Lift down. Oh. That's crazy.
He's like, damn, man, you guys have been in it since high school together, huh? And I'm like, yeah.
You have a few more tattoos now.
Yeah.
Let your head fall to the left here.
Oh. That was fucking crazy.
That was crazy. How many tattoos do you have?
Oh, it's gotta be like over 30 now.
Wow. Let it fall to the right. Let's give him a little rotation there and then slam through it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That gets it done.
Yeah, that'll get it done. Yeah. Tuck the chin down. Damn, dude. Oh, damn, bro. Right there.
Oh. My gosh.
Do you have like a favorite like music video that you've worked on?
I don't want to make the fans of the other videos mad.
Ah.
Okay, maybe Jungkook, just because he's like one of my top. Like, do you know what a bias is?
Like favorite, kind of?
Yeah.
That's not a new word.
It's a K-pop term.
So is Jungkook nice?
Very.
Wow.
I miss him.
Me too. Nice. All right, pulling the sacrum down. Wait. That's crazy. That's my bias. Navicular. Nice.
Was
Why
that
not?
punishment?
You've been working out?
For you, yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. I've been doing the same thing. What's wrong with your back?
It's a little crooked, kind of tight.
Oh, dang, yeah, it is crooked, huh?
All right.
So what's new?
What's new?
Yeah.
I'm getting massaged by a chiropractor. The best of the best.
You know those guys aren't real doctors? You can't trust those guys, man. This knot here is from you missing me.
Other activities.
No, it's you missing me. It's okay. I know the camera's on, but like, you can admit it, you know. Good. Let it go. Good.
Crunchy.
Is it? Give me a hug. Leave your head on the table. You know what I mean? Wow, you give really nice hugs. You don't hug anyone else, right?
Only my family, don't worry.
That's fine. I'll let it happen. You do kind of have a little twist here. I'm going to try to rotate it. Right there. Beautiful. And we'll just pull those down. Good. PSI is. Good. Yeah, I like these. They do give grandpa vibes, yeah. But, you know, we do it for the streets.
Like they're matching.
Why did you make me see that? Wow. That's crazy. Nice. Did you fart? Relax this left shoulder.
Oof. Still feels like nerds.
It doesn't feel like nerds.
It sounds like nerds.
Sounds like nerds. Let your head fall here. Is that nerds?
Right on the lowest part of your spine here.
Oh. Is here.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Yay.
That was fire. Not taking the socks off just for the views. All right. Middle finger. Middle finger. Beautiful. So just relax your shoulders. Let your head fall.
That was it? Damn.
What do you mean that was it?
I didn't expect that, but that does feel good.
Jeff Violet. What's your favorite color?
What's my favorite color?
Yeah.
Would it be weird if I said violet or?
No, that's what I was expecting you to say. See, these things, you're supposed to say it, and then it's supposed to be funny, and then like the people watching.
All right,
you
take
know.
two. Yeah,
Nice. You just never work out, do you?
Never.
There's no muscle here. It's crazy.
It's all lighting.
So you just wrapped up a series?
We wrapped one series and we start the next on the 16th.
All right.
Oh. Wow.
That was pretty nice. Let's go lower. A little bit lower here. Very nice.
Deep. Nice.
Guy's crunchy. And just put your hands on your stomach.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's master diversion right there.
Damn, he's been lifting. I gotta get through all this muscle, man. What do you feed these things? Look at that. Oh. Fire. Oh. It's gone. Ooh. Nice. Oh, that was a lot. Put your hands on your stomach.
Ah! What the hell? Fuck. Ah.
Yeah. Wow, that's so C2. Crazy.
Oh.
C5? Good. L2. Sometimes they might fart a little bit. Very nice. She's stressed. She has a lot of stress. Beautiful. C5, let it fall right there. Good. With the leg, yeah, good. It's nice. Wow. Her left shoulder hurts. Why? Why does your left shoulder hurt?
Because of my knots.
Oh,
But lately it's been
not
on my left side.
Did you hear my joke? It's okay.
I did hear you.
What? Why did you laugh?
Oh. Oh.
Just let it fall here. Good. Little trigger point action. Never hurt anyone.
Oh my god.
Nice. PSIS.
Holy shit.
Okay, right there.
Oh my god.
No. All right, I'm doing this one a little bit at an angle. Create a little extension in her neck.
Oh!
Good. Lift down.
Ah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. I think.
Alright. I think I'm ready. I don't know. This is my first time. Is it okay?
Oh,
Lift your
really?
head up.
Same.
Pull your hair through. Perfect. Okay. Lift up again. Can you pull your hair all the way through? Come on. Maybe.
I'm sorry.
Okay, there we go. Down. She's so nervous. She doesn't even know how to pull her hair through.
I know.
Oh, look how cute she looks. I'm gonna squeeze your cheeks a little bit, okay?
Mhm.
You feel okay though.
Mhm.
Okay. When I pull like this, is it okay on your cheeks?
Mhm.
Okay, good. Perfect. Let me know when you can feel it, like right in the shoulder blades.
Gnarly.
Gnarly. Oh, that was good.
Wow.
So you just have like emotional pain because you're gonna take the LSAT or the bar. Sorry. Ow.
Don't rewind my
Oh
timeline.
my god. Hurry. Move. Across. Good.
Oh my god.
Just a little push there. Jeez. It already kind of went. Is it better here? Here? Nice.
Oh my god!
Hey everyone, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching our weekly video. And if you have any questions about chiropractic care in general, just leave a comment, let me know. Or if you have any video ideas you want me to do, drop it down in the comments. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, come on, it's free. Can you please just click it? It really helps. Have a good day.